So we're finally in Davao City. Finally, I've been looking for this one.
99.
Kuya mo ang mannequin dyan. Hey guys, so we're here at JMC. Ganda dito guys. Parang nasa ibang bansa. So bigat. May pa siya ba itong pinto? Wow, finally! Hi guys, so a little room tour for you all. So, pagpasok mo, andito yung door. And then, merong cabinet here, safe. And then, what's that? I think may extra unan dito. Ayan, may extra unan, guys. And then, may robe, may plancha. Ayan. And then, here, andito yung bathroom. Ayan. Hi, guys. This is me. This is the sink. May blower din sila, which is nice. And then, some free stuff. Toilet. And then, shower. Nice. Ganda. McDo. Which is McDo yung dinner ko for today. Actually, midnight snack na siya since it's 9 p.m. na. So, yeah. It's kinda late. Dito yung 4 luggages. May kiluhan din doon. I think, asan kaya yung ano? Ayun, may bedroom sleeper. I will change later. I need this. And then, there's my luggage. Full length body mirror. Ayan. So, I have twin bed pero solo lang ako dito. There's the mini bar. May free water. May fridge. Oh, sige. Lagay natin yung water. Para malamig siya tomorrow. And then here, walang free coffee. No. Ayan, dito pala yung free coffee, guys. Ayan. Kunin natin yan bukas. So, may parang table lang dyan. TV. And then, nice. Ganda. Ayan, nag-order lang ako kanina ng McDo because I was hungry na. Ayan, may little workspace lang dyan. And then here, meron lang din dito parang coffee table. Ay, sarap. Sobrang pagod. But we need to eat pa. Tara guys, let's eat. And, tingnan natin yung view. Kung meron. Uy! Ang ganda ng view. Ayan, makikita niya na yung Davao. I'll enjoy that for later. But for now, let's eat. And chikain ko kayo, guys. Medyo haggard na ako kasi it's been a long day for me. I was kinda tired and sunod-sunod yung ganap namin. But, yeah. Let's eat first. Wash our hands. Ito pala guys, medyo lutang ako nung bino ko tong hotel na to since we're supposed to be 2 nights here pero nabook ko 1 night lang. So we need to transfer it since full yung hotel na to. Kinda hassle. But life happens. Yeah, life happens sometimes. Midnight snack pa ito, parang ang dami. Parang dinner pa din. Anyways, kain lang tayo guys. No, na-distract ako. Actually guys, ang tagal kong hindi nag-fast food. So, okay lang naman siguro ako magka-fast food ako ngayon. Since I can't really wait that long. Since maaga din kami bukas. Agad. Hey guys, so tikman natin tong bagong sundae ni McDo. So, ayan siya guys. Medyo slimy na siyang tingnan. Ayan no. Anyway, sikman natin siya. Okay. Chocolate. As in yung parang candy. Chocolate. Yung isang brand niya is honey. So, yun pala yun. But it's good. So, I have 2 beds. Pero ako lang yung mag-isa. So, I don't know kung saan ako matutulog. Kung anong side ako matutulog. Yung isa malapit sa toilet. And then itong isa malapit dito sa window. I don't know. May lights pala dito. By the way guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung pinili ko sa Miniso. So I got 2 bags. So because nakakita ako guys ng Barbie collection na wala pa ako. And I've been eyeing this actually. Puro pink stuff siya. So, the first thing is this cushion. Ayan. So, this is the Barbie lifting the gym cushion. Ayan. Para may kapalitan na yung aking cushion dun sa aking best chair. Since wala to sa Manila, hindi ko siya nakita sa Manila, sa North EDSA, and then wala rin sa amin actually. So, ayan. So, I got this one. Kasi tiyempuhan lang talaga siya, guys. And my mama who got this tissue. Pink din siya. So, ayan. And then, that's the end of the first bag. For the second bag, actually, lalagay ko rito sa luggage. That's why, i-haul ko na siya sa inyo, guys. Got this heart pillow na Barbie. Sobrang soft. Just an added like pillow sa bed. Quiet yung bed. And then, bang! May pink na siya. May accent na siya. Diba? Cute! And then I also got this Barbie clips. Wala lang. Parang cute lang kasi. Try natin. So, na-imagine ko lang yung sarili ko na nakaganan. Cute. No, feeling ko, nainis kasi ako guys since minsan yung aking bangs, pag nagme-makeup ako nag-aano siya. Ayan, so kapag nagme-makeup ako, tataas ko na siyang ganyan. Ganyan. Then meron pa ditong dalawa. Halatang pang kids siya since tingnan niyo yung sobrang liit ng ipin niya. Ganyan ko lang siya na-imagine, guys. Ganyan lang. Cute naman siya. That's why I got it. And then, kung ito, baby clips, I got their mother clips. So, this is just a hair clump, guys. Ito din ito. Since mainit, I really want my hair to be tied up. Yan. And then, last for the Barbie collection. Actually, hindi ko na ito kukunin pero nilagay ng mom ko sa basket. So, I got also this hairbrush from Barbie. Ayan, cute lang din siya since may mga kaneme dyan. Another thing, which is pink ulit. Actually, dahil lang siya sa pink, kaya ko siya binili. Sorry, hindi. So, this is their blackhead remover strips. Ayan, ang cute lang kasi din ng packaging niya. Kaya inuha ko siya. And knowing me, I actually have like blackheads talaga, mostly in the nose area. And then lastly, for this bag, is this. Sumira siya ng aesthetic. So, this is the tea tree oil facial cleansing wipes. So, sa mom ko din to. Dapat ibigay ko to sa pinsan ko pero akin na lang to. Akin na lang to. Pag ito, I look like 15 years old. Pag ito mga pormahan ko. Sino mag-aakala na this face is mid-20s na? Like, diba? See you tomorrow, guys.